Hi there. Okay, so now that we have our little round ball-shaped pocket watch open, this is what the back looks like. If you've got long nails, you can pop out this plastic piece. If you're going to use a knife, be very, very careful. So see how it slides around? Yeah. So you have to keep this piece necessary, must keep. Okay, so notice this little lip right there? I slide my fingernail underneath it and out pops my battery. I then grab another battery. These are 377As. It doesn't matter what brand or anything, they all seem to work fine. So I place it back in like that and press till it kind of snaps. Did you hear that? Okay. So then I take my little plastic backing, and this notch area goes over the stem. Okay. And this flat piece will be covering the battery to keep it in. And I find that doing it from this side helps. Otherwise, the back doesn't seem to want to go in. So just press. Keep pressing until I get it in there. And you heard that click. Okay. See? It's in. There's the stem. It's over the battery. Now, to get the back on. Okay. So, squeeze. I find that wow, it didn't even make the little click. It went right on. Sometimes it makes a little click like when you like your knuckles popping type of thing. So, there you go. I should have checked it before I put the back on, but as you see, it's running. Fantastic.